Chinthong Youth Development Committee la pen KSA tum Chinthong constituency along Kahumri Dam. Waisong Stadium Kangpu Japan Sai Kideng. Khot Khotialo Hoor Keroya Truck Kenep. Kardom Nyesta Malong Penili Villarban Krupi Non Biotang Ton Pen Archway Non Hedrong Chinthong Youth Development Committee la pen KSA Songja tum Karbiang Long la pen Mekhalaya Hoy Sabuda la pen Kliumwang along Humri Dam Alang Litum Sabuda along Kido Kiton Kilang Abang Phwa tum Penta Ahoy Kisunga Putak Chingki Jathan
Sabuda long Kevang the police outpost on Humri Penateng Apana Kahino Bertas in Tum Long Dam Apen Nili Tum CYDC Apen Nili Secretary in Pen Bugang Tung like Council in Penta border issue in Pena Alama Nanchilang Puson Tum CYDC in Penta thought Akropa Payudi La Penitum Apartin Thomasor border long Kidomini to Antame Picture don't you see Tum CYDC in Pen.
West Karbiang Long Tong Kamukamalong Kikimbom Waisong Stadium Kangpu Japan Karbiang Long Tonamas Council CEM Tuliram Long Hangpet Sayar Pukido Bang Phopan Kitang Te Asai Kepatang Serak Japan Non Hejong Kahumri Dam Hut CEM Long Hang Pin Khat Pitekang Bokojan subdivision Khotkoti along Hoor Arthang Chongatra Kinep Dunlong Pusi Ladakh Cart News along Birtanangle 70600777 Atrak Arlo Urea Phosphate Hoor Longpon Lapen Guwahati Pen Manipur Ki Ponja Phansi Kemang Anpar Atrak Alam Toy Alon Tabi Pusi Kiton Kilang Atum Ningche Normalam Sopor Phan Birta Moing Toponiksina Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong Akenang Solahormu Ason Salam Pontanglo Lasinang Tum Arniwang Kenang Sot Kichuason La Pentesri Alang Hiti Gulat Along Longpon Ikji Kang Sirtang Kijun Alang Tharwe Alang Teso Alang Kichu Ajam Tu Tharmit Aduk Telua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji
Dihanamo people thalbir talong wangtholong pai isi arni pen choki hola pathwa klamalong kicheng CMAC nilip club lik pangcheng pontanglo kicheng si kachepate hiriri club la pen marjong club angbongsi pathu la pen marjong club atu bol pumni pen chepahai pai pai ECR ni Difu Polytechnic along orientation padu sikat new salong birta nangli
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Toklang IEM Jagat Singh T orientation along Chetongdun Lapen Alangli Amen ke thapmi arisu nimsomar aphan kethan pare tekang
birta banggelap maskang tan puniklo domi thangmi kurwang thu